In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a receipt or bill and record it as an expense in Zoho Books. If you're new to Zoho Books or just looking to streamline your expense tracking process, you're in the right place. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through a straightforward method to ensure your business expenses are accurately uploaded and recorded in no time. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in their URL, or simply search for Zoho Books in your search engine. Once you arrive at their homepage, the next step is to sign in to your existing account. Click on the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before continuing, but for those who already have credentials, simply enter them and proceed to log in. Now that you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books homepage. From here, direct your attention to the panel on your left-hand side. This is where all your navigation options reside. Look for the Purchases option in the sidebar menu and click on it. This will take you to a new page dedicated to all purchase-related transactions. Once you are on the Purchases page, find and click on the Expenses tab. This section is where you'll manage and review your business expenses, giving you an insightful overview of your spending. Your next step is to initiate the process of adding a new expense record by importing your receipt or bill. Look for the Import Expenses option on this page and click on it. This action will set the stage for the expense file upload. You'll notice there's a button labeled Choose File. Clicking this allows you to browse your computer for the file you intend to upload. It's generally advisable to ensure that your files are organized in a specific folder for easy retrieval. Select the file you need, whether it's a scanned receipt, a PDF document, or an image of your bill. Once you've chosen the correct file, a simple click will allow it to upload into the Zoho Books system. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully uploaded a receipt and recorded it as an expense in Zoho Books. This process not only saves time, but also helps maintain accurate financial records for your business. If you need to make additional entries, you can repeat these steps whenever necessary. I hope this guide has made the task straightforward and easy to manage. Remember to regularly check your entries to ensure your books are up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.